Today guys, we're talking about jet ski safety and how you can stay safe out on the water, because unfortunately 50 people a year die while they're on their jet skis. Roll the intro. Okay guys, welcome to episode 11 of the jet ski series here. My name's Mitchell, and today we're going to take a look at what's going to keep you safe out on the water. So 700 injuries a year, 50 deaths just in the US alone, which seems like a lot for people who've just gone out on the water to have a great time. A lot of those injuries as well are caused by beginners. So if you are a beginner, take note. These are going to be 5 simple hints and tips to keep you safe out on the water. Here's number one. Number one, guys. Number one is the takeoff. So the takeoff's obviously really important because that's where your ride starts. So first of all, when you are taking off, make sure you got plenty of room around you, just in case you do fall off. We've all been there, we've all tumbled off, or we've all taken off and accelerated somewhere we didn't think we were going to. So make sure there's plenty of room around you when you do jump on the ski. Second of all, when you do first take off the beach or wherever you're taking off from to launch, that you don't accelerate when someone's standing behind you, because one of the major causes of deaths in the States that make up that 50 deaths per year is water entering the orifice. Yes, water entering someone's orifice. That sounds like a horrific way to die, but as you can see, so much water pumps out the back of the jet skis that it can be extremely dangerous, so make sure no one is standing behind you when you do take off. Number 2, guys, even though you're out in the big bad ocean, keep an eye out for objects because they can pop up at any time, whether it's a buoy or in the States, a buoy, some sort of pole or beacon, or even the sand. Watch out for sandbanks, they're quite popular too, especially around where I live here on the Gold Coast. So watch out for objects that can pop up that literally can kill you. That's number 2. Number 3, guys, everyone wants to get out there and do crazy tricks and do awesome jumps, but number 3 is jumping. Before you jump, make sure you practice, take it slow, start off small, and then gradually build up to what you're comfortable with, because if the wave is coming this way and you're coming this way, it doesn't take a lot of acceleration for you to end up very, very high in the air, which can be very scary, but also very dangerous as well if you are a beginner and don't know what you're doing. So take your time with jumps, build up to what you're comfortable with. That is number 3. And guys, number 4, distractions. Watch out for those girls on TikTok. It's crazy, it's 2020, but TikTok's taken over and it's made its way to jet skis. So keep an eye out, be vigilant, and keep your eye on the prize. Don't get distracted. Number 5, which is our last one, it's the last part of your day out on the water. It's when you're docking the ski. Make sure you take your time and come in nice and slowly. Do not come in like a wrecking ball, because you can hit something, you're going to ruin your ski. If not, you're going to ruin yourself. So take your time, and remember, if you pull the cord out, your safety cord, your ski's going to turn off as well. So that's always there as a emergency option. But take your time with docking. Okay guys, that wraps up episode 11 of our jet ski series. Hopefully you've learned something today from one of those tips. Remember, get out there, have a lot of fun, that's what they're there for, but do it safely, wear your life jackets, don't drink and drive, and stay in school. My name's Mitchell, and I'll see you in the next one.